Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. So today we have a Royalty Nails haul. I did the mystery scoop that they have where you have, I think, small, medium and large, and they do a random scoop and you just get the things that they scoop, and they have a mystery wheel that they spin, and whatever it lands on, that's what you get. So this is what I got: a bag full of charms and the acrylics. Let me tell you how much they go for. Okay, so I actually went to calculate it. The acrylics are $13.99 each, and I got 5, so that's like $69.95, I believe I saw, plus the charms. I'm not sure how much those go for, plus the glitter that I got. I can't remember if I got anything else, but that's well over $70 if I was to purchase it like separate. But for this mystery scoop I paid only $50, so that's a good deal. So the application that I just did is in real time. Right, so that was in real time. To show you the consistency of the product, I absolutely love it. It's the first time I'm using their acrylic. I would 100% recommend it. It's really smooth, really pigmented, and it's super easy to work with. It doesn't dry quick on you at all. You have so much time to work with it, as you can see. Even though this clip is sped up, but the one before where I did the first bead, that was not. That was in real time. I have no complaints. You can see how beautifully I molded to the nail while keeping the shape there, so I have less filing to do. 10 out of 10. For the green, it was a little bit too pigmented, so it didn't self-level into itself. It was kind of a drier acrylic, but that's okay. All you would have to do is to wet your acrylic brush and tap into it, so that it can start to self-level into itself. But overall, I'm very impressed with these acrylics. I'll definitely purchase more from this brand. I'm gonna use some clear acrylic to encapsulate this nail, as well as the full green nail that I did, just for strength and structure. But that's pretty much it. I'll be doing an ombre, and I might do a separate video doing just using this green with white and create a marble set. But anyways, this is pretty much it for me. And subscribe if you haven't already, hit the like button, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye bye.